What's up, guys? This is your girl, Carolina Diamond, Dr. Rogers, coming to you guys with a new focus for the upcoming new year with a new build. That's right, I'm going to be switching up my content a little bit and doing a little lifestyle content and give you guys a peek into what I have going on right now. So, one of the first things I had to do was refocus. I had to focus on basically I had to put the focus back on me. I had to think about what I wanted, where I wanted to be, what was going to put me in a good mental space, what was going to, put me in my happy place, what was going to get me to the point where I was living the life that I wanted to live. And I found a couple things. I wanted to start out with an actual visual of things taking shape so that it, really it means something, because seeing the sticks and all that stuff is, you see it, but it's not, you can't really tell what things are going to look like. So here we are on the inside. This is the visual of things coming together. Again, it's all about building a space for yourself. I have been gradually downsizing for the last few years, and I'm in the place now where I felt like I wanted something that I could kind of mold into my own, something that fits me, if that makes sense. So you see now they have I'm calling it wrapper, but they're, putting the plastic on the house to like protect it. And I feel like that's kind of what I'm doing for my mental as well, trying to protect things. But this is pretty much what we have going on right now. Things are slowly, gradually progressing. Um, and I'm just giving you guys just a little quick visual of what we have going on right now. So this span of this video it's a couple of weeks. This is the garage that you guys see here. I know I didn't have to tell you that, but yeah, this is the garage, and they have their items sitting in the garage. So at this point, they have done the installation that you guys saw earlier. This was the completion of the drywall after they had the drywall inspection. Here you can see the coffered ceilings taking shape. Again, the drywall was just done. It was literally just completed. So you guys actually get to see the building of that. This is part of the kitchen slash breakfast area. So you guys are seeing the back wall of the kitchen and the back door. Again, it's all about bringing the size down to something that fits me. It's just me. So I don't have a bunch of people staying with me. I don't have all that. So I'm trying to cater to myself right now, because that's pretty much what it's all about. So these are the stairs, going upstairs. You see the people just leaving all kind of stuff in the house. But hey, you do what you do as long as you have it clean. As long as you have it clean when I come up in there. This is one of the bedrooms. The house does have 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. One of those bedrooms will be my office. This is, of course, my bedroom, the primary bedroom, the master suite. And you see the vaulted ceilings in there. Yes, it's pretty cool. The bathroom, you guys see it. You see what it is. They have a mess in there. Again, as long as it's clean by the time I, get up in it, then it's all right with me. And then we move on to the shower. It's a pretty good size shower, decent size shower. So this is basically a standalone shower with tiled shower with glass doors. And I just basically took you guys back down stairs into the living room. You can see a piece of the fireplace in there. So that's pretty much it on this part. So here are a few small updates from the following week. And I just want to say I put rule 2, be thankful for every milestone. And I included these updates because I thought it was important, even though the updates are fairly small. I mean, I noticed them because I'm basically watching things progress day by day. But even the small milestones, the small changes that are made, you need to be thankful for those changes. One of the things here, I don't know if you guys can see the writing, but they actually wrote on the wall that the shiplap goes there. There's going to be an accent piece above the fireplace. That's something that wasn't there the week before. So definitely a small, really minute change, but a change nonetheless. So in me refocusing or regaining focus when it comes to me and doing things for myself, one of the things that I am making sure I focus on is, the small things. Reminding myself to not overlook the small things. This is the entryway to my bedroom, where they had to go and widen the door because they miscalculated the size of the door. It's supposed to be double doors. And they had it sized for a single door. And this is the laundry room. So that's all I'm going to show on this one. On the next video, I will be showing you guys the beautiful windows and doors that were installed. The transformation is real. So you guys will get to see the new journey, the new focus, the new build, the new hair. Child, yes, I just went all things new. I chopped the hair off, as you can see from the picture, but we'll talk about that later. You know what I mean?